welcome to another exciting car quiz. This time we're diving into the iconic rides from the 1960s and 1970s. Think you can guess these legendary cars? Let's find out. Car 1. What's your guess for this iconic American sports car? Options are A. Chevrolet Corvette C2, B. Pontiac GTO, C. Ford Mustang, D. Dodge Charger. The answer is A. Chevrolet Corvette C2. Known as the Stingray, the Corvette C2 redefined American sports cars with its bold design and powerful engine options. Produced from 1963 to 1967, this car became a dream ride for enthusiasts and remains a symbol of high performance and style. Car 2. What about this aggressive muscle car? Options are A. Ford Mustang Boss 429, B. Plymouth Barracuda, C. Pontiac Firebird Trans Am, D. Chevrolet Camaro. The answer is C. Pontiac Firebird Trans Am. Debuting in 1970, the Firebird Trans Am became a muscle car legend. With its roaring engines and iconic shaker hood, it offered unmatched power and style, peaking in popularity with appearances in classic movies like Smokey and the Bandit. Car 3. Can you name this sleek British sports car? Options are A. Jaguar E-Type, B. Aston Martin DB5, C. Mercedes-Benz SL, D. Porsche 911. The answer is A. Jaguar E-Type. Described as the most beautiful car ever made by Enzo Ferrari, the E-Type combines stunning looks with impressive performance. Produced between 1961 and 1975, it set new standards for sports cars and remains an icon of British design. Car 4. Which Japanese classic is this? Options are A. Toyota Celica GT, B. Mazda RX-3, C. Nissan Skyline GT R, D. Datsun 240Z. The answer is D. Datsun 240Z. Launched in 1970, the Datsun 240Z brought sports car performance to the masses. With its affordable price, sleek design, and reliable engineering, it became a global sensation and laid the foundation for Nissan's Z-Series legacy. Car 5. What's your guess for this iconic pony car? Options are A. Dodge Challenger, B. Mercury Cougar, C. Ford Mustang, D. Chevrolet Camaro. The answer is C. Ford Mustang. The original pony car, the Ford Mustang, debuted in 1964 1-2 and became an instant hit. Its compact size, sporty looks, and affordability captured the hearts of drivers and sparked a revolution in the automotive industry. Car 6. What about this bold muscle car? Options are A. Dodge Charger, B. Plymouth Barracuda, C. Chevrolet Chevelle SS, D. Pontiac GTO. The answer is B. Plymouth Barracuda. The 1970-1974 Barracuda was a true icon of the muscle car era, offering bold styling and powerful engines. It remains a favorite among collectors and enthusiasts for its aggressive looks and high performance. Car 7. Can you guess this compact classic? Options are A. Mini Cooper, B. Volkswagen Beetle, C. Fiat 500, D. Morris Minor. The answer is A. Mini Cooper. The Mini Cooper Mark I, produced between 1959 and 1967, revolutionized compact cars with its innovative design. It was not just a practical city car, but also a rally champion, proving that great things can come in small packages. Car 8. Which iconic small car is this? Options are A. Fiat 124 Spider, B. BMW 2002, C. Porsche 356, D. Volkswagen Beetle. The answer is D. Volkswagen Beetle. The Beetle's timeless design and practicality made it one of the best-selling cars in history. In the 1960s and 1970s, it became a cultural icon, beloved for its simplicity, reliability, and charm. Car 9. What's your guess for this Japanese sports car? Options are A. Toyota Celica GT, B. Nissan Skyline, C. Datsun 510, D. Mazda RX-3. The answer is A. Toyota Celica GT. Introduced in the 1970s, the Celica GT blended sporty design with reliability and affordability. Its sleek lines and responsive handling earned it a reputation as a fun and practical sports car. Car 10. Can you name this German classic? Options are A. BMW 2002, B. Mercedes-Benz SL Pagoda, C. Volkswagen Golf, D. Audi 100. The answer is A. BMW 2002. The BMW 2002, introduced in 1968, is credited with kickstarting BMW's reputation as a maker of sporty sedans. Its nimble handling and powerful engine made it a favorite among driving enthusiasts. Car 11. What about this luxurious Italian masterpiece? Options are A. Ferrari 250 GTO, B. Lamborghini Miura, C. Aston Martin DB5, D. Porsche 911. The answer is A. Ferrari 250 GTO. The Ferrari 250 GTO is one of the most iconic and valuable cars in history. Produced from 1962 to 1964, only 36 units were made, combining breathtaking design with a race-ready V12 engine. It remains a symbol of exclusivity and performance. Car 12. Can you guess this American muscle car? Options are A. AMC Javelin, B. Chevrolet Camaro, C. Dodge Challenger, D. Pontiac GTO. The answer is A. AMC Javelin. The AMC Javelin, produced from 1968 to 1974, brought style and performance to the American Motors Corporation lineup. Known for its bold design and powerful V8 options, the Javelin was a true underdog in the muscle car wars. Car 13. What's your guess for this British luxury icon? Options are A. Aston Martin DB5, B. Jaguar E-Type, C. Rolls-Royce Silver Shadow, D. Bentley S3. The answer is A. Aston Martin DB5. Famous as James Bond's car in Goldfinger, the DB5 is the epitome of British sophistication and performance. Its 4.0-liter engine and elegant styling make it one of the most desirable classic cars ever made. Car 14. What about this menacing muscle car? Options are A. Ford Mustang, B. Dodge Charger, C. Chevrolet Chevelle SS, D. Plymouth Road Runner. The answer is B. Dodge Charger. The Dodge Charger of the 1960s became a muscle car legend, especially after its iconic appearance in Bullitt. With aggressive styling and powerful Hemi engines, the Charger dominated both the streets and the silver screen. Car 15. What's your guess for this innovative rotary-powered car? Options are A. Mazda RX-7, B. Datsun 240Z, C. Mazda RX-3, D. Toyota Celica GT. The answer is C. Mazda RX-3. The Mazda RX-3, introduced in 1971, featured the revolutionary rotary engine. Its lightweight design and impressive performance made it a standout in the sports car market, cementing Mazda's place in automotive innovation. Car 16. Which powerful roadster is this? Options are A. Shelby Cobra, B. Chevrolet Corvette, C. Aston Martin V8, D. Jaguar XK120. The answer is A. Shelby Cobra. The Shelby Cobra, produced between 1962 and 1967, was a raw and thrilling roadster. Powered by Ford V8 engines and designed for racing, it became one of the most iconic performance cars of all time. Car 17. What's your guess for this exotic Italian car? Options are A. Lamborghini Miura, B. Ferrari 250 GTO, C. Porsche 911, D. Maserati Ghibli. The answer is A. Lamborghini Miura. Widely regarded as the world's first supercar, the Miura was revolutionary in design and engineering. Its transverse V12 engine and breathtaking looks set the standard for high-performance exotic cars. Car 18. Can you name this rugged classic SUV? Options are A. Land Rover Defender, B. Jeep Wagoneer, C. Ford Bronco, D. Toyota Land Cruiser. The answer is C. Ford Bronco. The Ford Bronco, introduced in 1966, was America's first SUV built for both off-road adventures and city driving. Its durability and versatility made it an instant hit, paving the way for modern SUVs. Car 19. What's your guess for this American muscle car? Options are A. Ford Mustang, B. Chevrolet Camaro, C. Pontiac Firebird. D. Plymouth Cuda. The answer is B. Chevrolet Camaro. Launched in 1967 to rival the Mustang, the Camaro quickly established itself as a muscle car favorite. With its sleek design and powerful engines, it remains a classic symbol of American performance. Car 20. What about this early muscle car? Options are A. Pontiac GTO, B. Chevrolet Chevelle SS, C. Dodge Challenger, D. Mercury Cougar. The answer is A. Pontiac GTO. Often considered the first true muscle car, the GTO debuted in 1964. With its aggressive styling and high-performance V8 engine, it sparked the golden age of muscle cars. Car 21. Which stylish coupe is this? Options are A. Chevrolet Monte Carlo, B. Mercury Cougar, C. Ford Torino, D. Buick Riviera. The answer is B. Mercury Cougar. Introduced in 1967 as a more luxurious sibling to the Mustang, the Cougar offered refined styling and impressive performance, earning its place in muscle car history. Car 22. What's your guess for this Italian roadster? Options are A. Alfa Romeo Spider, B. Fiat 124 Spider, C. MG MGB, D. Triumph Spitfire. The answer is B. Fiat 124 Spider. The Fiat 124 Spider, introduced in 1966, became a favorite among sports car enthusiasts for its elegant design and engaging driving dynamics. It offered a perfect blend of Italian style and performance. Car 23. Can you name this German legend? Options are A. Porsche 356, B. BMW 2002, C. Porsche 911, D. Volkswagen Karmann Ghia. The answer is C. Porsche 911. The Porsche 911, introduced in 1964, is one of the most iconic sports cars of all time. Known for its rear-engine layout and timeless design, it has remained in production for decades, constantly evolving but never losing its essence. Car 24. What about this luxurious American coupe? Options are A. Cadillac Eldorado, B. Buick Riviera, C. Chrysler Newport, D. Lincoln Continental. The answer is B. Buick Riviera. The Buick Riviera, introduced in 1963, was a bold and elegant luxury coupe. Its groundbreaking design and powerful engines made it a standout in the personal luxury car segment. Car 25. What's your guess for this elegant German convertible? Options are A. Mercedes-Benz SL Pagoda, B. Porsche 912, C. BMW 507, D. Audi 100 Coupe S. The answer is A. Mercedes-Benz SL Pagoda. The Mercedes-Benz SL Pagoda, produced from 1963 to 1971, was renowned for its sophisticated design and advanced engineering. Its signature concave roofline made it an icon of style and luxury. Thanks for joining us on this journey through the iconic cars of the 1960s and 1970s. These vehicles are not just modes of transport, they represent an era of innovation, passion, and design excellence. If you enjoyed this quiz, make sure to like, subscribe, and share it with fellow car enthusiasts. Drop your score in the comments below. We'd love to know how many you got right. Until next time, keep revving your engines and embracing the classics. See you in the next video.